Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Windows Photo Viewer not having enough memory. So it might say Windows Photo Viewer can't display this picture because there might not be enough memory available on your computer. Close some programs that you aren't using or free up some hard disk space if it's almost full, and then try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to save and close out of any open programs or applications you have on your system. And then you want to open up the search menu, type in disk cleanup, best match, should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Select OK, and then select delete files. Give that a moment. And then once that has concluded, open up the search menu, type in photos. You want to select where it says app settings on the right side. Scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app setup won't be affected. Select repair and give that a moment. And then once that's done, I would suggest selecting the second option here, actually resetting the Photos app. And then close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.